Hi everyone, it's Becky here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my techniques on how to draw and paint these baby bananas. So the three-dimensional shapes of this bunch of baby bananas are really good to study, and the colors, I really like the gradients of yellow and green. So it's a great watercolor studies too on gradients and color mixing. And today on this video, I'm going to focus on the shade of yellow and green with watercolors. Okay, so before I start drawing, let's study the three-dimensional form of this bunch of baby bananas. Every single thing in this world has three-dimensional forms. So these little bananas, each of these are like in a complex tube shape. And there's a bit of overlapping here. This one is being covered by the one next to it. So each of these bananas are kind of overlapping with each other. As you can see, each of these are actually single tube shapes. Okay, so that means these are three-dimensional. So we need to understand these as three-dimension shapes before we can paint them well. Okay, so I'm going to use this pink marker to show the three-dimensional idea. These ridges, pretty identical. Everyone can see all bananas have these ridges on the surface. Okay, and this is the surface curve that defines the three-dimensional form or direction. Okay, this is kind of flat. This is bending down here. Okay, it's kind of like a combination of a prism and a cylinder. Square tubes, same as these. Okay, this is what I see. This is the three-dimensional form that I observe. Okay, so now let's get started sketching. So in the rest of the video, I'm going to stay quiet and give you some hints once a while in the captions so you understand my process better. So before we start painting the shade part of the banana, let's identify where are the shade parts, okay? So basically this is what I see. This part, pretty dark. Same as here. This area, because these bananas are like giving shadows to each other. And same as here, around this area, okay? And also this side, this banana is medium dark, not as dark. Even this pretty dark underneath, of course. Okay, so here is my finished sketch of the banana. So now I have something interesting to show you. I found the banana to have very similar form as the human hand. Okay, as you can see, and these are very similar to the three-dimensional shape of fingers. Okay, as you can see here. So now I'm going to do a sketch of my hand in comparison to the banana. Let's find the similarities. Okay, so now I want to show you this three-dimensional forms of hand with fingers. So basically our 5 fingers are kind of like complex shapes of cylinders, pretty much like these. Okay. These are cylinders, right? And the palm of the hand is like a squished cylinder, kind of like this. This is kind of like the dissection of a human hand. All right, what the inside looks like. On the surface, it's pretty curvy, especially when you're wearing rings. You can definitely tell the curve of your fingers. The surface of our fingers are curvy. Okay, the palm might be flatter, but still, you can still tell the flat 3-dimension of it. All right, now let's get started sketching. Okay, so I'm keeping this hand sketch really simple. We could go even deeper, more elaborated with more colors. But today I just want to keep it simple to show you the basic form of the hand and the three-dimensional form, the basic skin color and the shade color of skin color. Okay. And here is the look of my art journal spread so far. Let's see what I'm gonna sketch next in the rest of the blank spaces in my next videos. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my videos, please click like and leave me a comment below. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel for weekly updates. I will see you very soon next time.